What's up, Blaze Clan? Blaze Chip here. Sorry I haven't uploaded in a while, just school catching up with me, I can't really do anything. But, I have 24 Overwatch Halloween update loot boxes to open, and I will do that right now. Unfortunately, I haven't really seen these yet. They look pretty cool, but, without further ado, I'm gonna start opening. Not bad. What the heck? I like that. I want that. Doomfist. I don't have anything for him, really. I'll take the money, and I don't want that. Next up. What I'm really looking to get here is some legendaries, or, just anything from this update. Alright, total 80s. How does that fall in with Halloween? I got an Overwatch spray. What? Over the shoulder. I'll take that. And I will take that. Alright. Next up. Jeez, man, I'm not getting anything out of these. Then again, whoever does. Oh, that looks pretty cool, kind of. I don't want to wear it though. I think I like my other voice lines better. I will, however, take that as my new icon. I don't care about that. Next up. Nothing again. Wow. Got a freaking eyeball. Just launcher. Nah. I thought I already had that, but, And I'll put that in place of that. Next up, down to 20 loot boxes. Not bad. Oh, an emote? Oh, it's this one. I love this. Alright. I like that emote. There's a Iron Chef Sweden. That looks pretty cool. I will put that in place of this. Alright, I've already been through that, and I'll put that in place of that. Awesome. Next up. God, the animation for the thing just moving is awesome as well. Oh, 3 things from Halloween this year. I smell trouble brewing. Alright. Did that? Yes, it did. Alright. I like that. I used to play a lot of Lucio. I don't know what happened. And, what is that? It's young Symmetra. Oh my gosh. I'll put it in place of that. Next up. Oh, I'm not getting anything. Alright. Currency, take that. Nah, not from Roadhog. I'll put that in place of there. This I actually wanted, and I do not need that. Next up. Oh, there we go! And it's not even from this set.
Mess with the best and die like the rest.
Shut up, battery. That's how I felt when I got that Bastion skin during summer games. Alright. Alright, there we go. And, okay, that's decent. No. Another Overwatch one, wow. And I don't need that. Haha. I'll take that. Down 15 loot boxes, wow. Nothing too good again. Is that victory pose? No, that is a skin.
Muster your fears, lest they master you.
Currency, take that.
I dreamt I was a butterfly.
That's it? Oh my gosh, no, I really like that. I like that. One more time.
I dreamt I was a butterfly.
What the heck, Zenyatta? Alright, that's pretty funny, in my opinion. Nothing! I got that, which I kinda like. Okay, that, and I remember when Reaper had soul orbs. Barely, though. Haha! I like the Hanzo thing I got. I think I'm gonna have, like, a lot of these. A lot of these trick-or-treat ones. These are pretty funny.
Have a nice day.
I don't know what happened to me playing as Junkrat. There we go, there we go! Yes! It's, not exactly what I wanted it for, but I'll take it, man. An honest skin? I haven't played on it in a while, though, so... Oh. It's pretty nice looking. Oh, look at the cape, man. It's awesome. Or, you know, woman, or whatever you identify as. Not trying to make anybody trigger over here. I like that gun, definitely. Alright, awesome. Next up. What the heck? Oh, did anybody else see that Reaper? Oh, I'll take it. I want that. Oh. Yes! Oh, I wanted this so bad. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. There we go. And I don't care about that. Down to 10 now, or 9, you know. Alright. This Tracer is gonna be like, what, spooky? Oh. That was underwhelming. Credit. Amp. Alright. Come on, give me something good. I'll take that. Currency, nice. I'll buy a skin from last year. I will get Witch Mercy, because I sadly can't get her. Happy Halloween. Nice. And I've been meaning to change out my soldier stuff. I have a pretty cool skin for him, but I don't care about soldiers, so... Scary! My bad. Okay. I have to now just dancing mode? I don't know why I listen to Bastion voice lines. It's dumb, man. Look at it, they're doing the thing again. They're weird. They're posing weird.
Don't be scared.
Oof. Rain Dancer's a legendary, so I'll have to pass up on that. I'm kinda mad that I got too far of things, though, and I hate her. Down 5 boxes, here we go. This is the final stretch. I like it. Don't like it. Don't like it. I'll take it. Boom! Man, nothing. Oh, wow.
Your pulse has increased. Are you frightened?
Nope, and... Oh, come on, man. 3. Whoa! Hold on. Wow. That's quite amazing, actually. Yes, I will have that. Oh, that's that one thing. 2 loot boxes left. And I'm still not getting anything good.
That was great.
Alright. Maybe. No.
You didn't make the cut.
Oh. 1 more loot box. I like that. What the heck? How are you... How are you doing that? Is there something I'm missing? Did something not load? I don't think Summer can do that. I don't care about that. I hate Bastion. And I don't care about that. Last loot box. Please, please, please give me something just half decent, please. Oh. Well, we all saw it coming. Nothing good can ever come from these loot boxes.
I have something right here for you. Go and sit down.
Well, that was all my loot boxes. That was it's pretty cool. And I managed to save up enough to get what I wanted. Look, it's doing it again. Alright, I really wanted this. But is that what I want? I did get 2 legendary skins. This one, which I do not want at all. I wish I could trade that. And this one, which I really actually like. And it's pretty awesome. So, other than that, I didn't really get anything memorable except for this highlighted intro. Boom! Alright. And I got... Oh yeah, the highlighted intro for May, which I've started playing a bit more. It's kind of normal, but I like it. Also, I'm thinking of getting May's golden gun. You know, if I ever save up that much. And, yeah. That's the video. Hope you enjoyed. I might start uploading a bit more, and, you know, I might not. So, I'll see you in the next one.